Peace, blessing, and mercy be upon you, my dear students, grade 6. Welcome for my session with your teacher, Mr. Muhammad Salah. We are in lesson 7.2. As you see, the title is Evaluate Expressions Involving Exponents. So in our today's lesson, we're going to talk about how do you use the order of operations to evaluate expressions involving exponents. What is the meaning of evaluate? What is the meaning of expression? These questions inside my mind, I'm thinking about. So let us understand step by step. The first meaning I want you to understand here, expression. Okay, so a numerical expression is a mathematical phrase. That uses only numbers and operation symbols. Like this one. Do you see numbers? Yes, we have seen 3, 16, and 2 power 2, or the second power of 2. So do you have operation symbols? Yeah, we have seen here plus and here multiply. So this is called a mathematical expression. This is called a mathematical expression. All of it called a mathematical expression. Another one, 4 multiplied by 8 plus the first power of 5. Okay, this is called a mathematical expression. Why? Because it is a mathematical phrase that uses only numbers and the operation symbol. The last one here is 2 power 3 plus 4. We have numbers like 2 and 4, and we have operation sign like add or plus. Okay, so this is called a numerical expression. All right. To evaluate these numerical expressions, so you need to find the value. Here, focus please on this. You evaluate a numerical expression when you find its value. So you evaluate this one when you find its value. You evaluate this expression when you find the final answer, the final result of each. So to evaluate an expression with more than one type of operation, you must follow a set of rules called order of operations. Okay, this is called order of operation. This is called order of operations. Number one, we need to know step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, I'm going to solve all expressions by use this rule, order of operations. Okay, number 1, he says, perform operations in parentheses. So if you see any parentheses, you must solve it first, like this one. If you see here any parentheses, you must solve the operation inside the parentheses first. Okay, so 8 plus first power of 5. 8 plus the first power of 5. Okay, we need to calculate it first. Let us calculate it, then complete. Okay, so we have parentheses here. Yes, 8 plus the first power of 5. But I have seen power here. So the second step says find the value of numbers with exponents. So find the power inside this parentheses and calculate. The first power of 5 equals 5. That's right. And 5 plus 8 inside the parentheses. Calculate it. 8 plus 5 equals, good job, 13. Good job. So we have finished step 1. We solved the operation inside the parentheses, and we have solved the second one. If we see any power like this, any exponent like this, calculate it, then add, right? Number 3, multiply and divide. multiply and divide from left to right. So I need to multiply here if you see multiplication operation. Yeah, I have seen multiplication operation by 4. So you need to multiply the answer of parentheses by 4. 4 multiplied by 13 equals what? 4 times 3 equals 12. 2 and we carry up 1. Okay. 4 multiplied 1 equals 1 plus 1. Wrong, teacher. 4 multiplied 1 is not 1, it's 4. Plus 1 is 5. So you have a good focusing, please. Focus with me more. The final answer is 52. 52. Okay. Okay. We have finished till step 3 in this expression. In this expression. Okay. We followed 3 steps. 3 steps. Why don't you follow the 4th step here? Because we don't have add or subtract. We don't have addition or subtraction. We don't have here this operation. We don't have these operations, addition and subtraction in this expression. 4 multiply 8 plus 5 power 1, right? Right. So let us focus on this question. It's easier than the first one. Look, what do you have in the question? I have power and I have addition. So I have power. What should I start with first? According to our rule here. Okay. Yeah, you should to start with exponents. Exponents, right? Because we don't have parentheses. We don't have parentheses. So I'm going to start with exponents. The third power of 2 is, yeah, third power of 2, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 equals 8. Excellent. Then you need to add 4. The last step, add and subtract from left to right. So I used here 2 rules, the second one and the fourth one. The final answer is 12. So some questions need to use 2 rules or 3 rules or the 4 rules, okay? If they have parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division, addition, and subtraction. Let us see here this expression, 3 plus 16 multiplied by the second power of 2. What should we do first? What should we do first? According to our rules, order of operations. Do you see parentheses? Do you see parentheses? No, so I will not use the first rule. Do you see exponents? Powers? Yeah, here. That's right. So we solve it. Let's solve it together. The second power of 2 over 2 power 2. 2 power 2 means what? Means 2 multiplied by 2. Yes. The answer is 4. Do you notice me when I write? The answer should be below the sign of operation. The answer should be below it. Don't write here. No, don't write here. Write the answer below the sign of operation. Okay, this is the first thing we did here according rule 2. Do we have multiplication or division operation? Yeah, we have here 4 multiplied by 16. Do we have addition? Yes, we have. We have addition, but what should I do right now? I'm following the order of operation. So here I need to multiply first. Right? Right. I used exponent first, then multiply, then last thing add. After exponent, we calculated 4. I need to multiply by 16. 4 multiplied by 16 equals what? 6 times 4 equals 24. 4 and we carry up 2. 1 times 4 equals 4 plus 2. Right? No, wrong, teacher. 6. Yeah, the answer is 64. 64 plus 3. plus 3. Yeah, the last step plus 3. What is the answer? The answer should be what? Should be, excellent. 67. 67. Great job. So I have solved these questions with you in the first page, 363. Okay. And I need you to make the video stop here, write the answers below them, or use your notebook to practice, then complete the video. Let's unlock the problem together. Okay. Unlock the problem together here. Let's see. An archer shoots 6 arrows at a target. Do you see this man? This man is called an archer. Okay. He shoots 6 arrows at a target. 2 arrows hit the ring worth 8 points. And the 4 arrows hit the ring worth 4 points. Evaluate the expression 2 multiplied by 8 plus 4 power 2 to find the archer's total number of points. How can we evaluate the answer here to know the archer's total number of points? I need to find the solution by solving this one, by evaluating this expression. This is called an expression. Okay, guys, this is called as an expression. Okay. Let us see here. Let's solve this expression together according to our order of operations. What should I do first? Number 1, parentheses. Do you have parentheses? No, I don't have, so I will not use it. Number 2, exponents. Do you have exponent to solve it? Yeah, of course. I have here 4 power 2. What is the meaning of 4 power 2? Excellent. 4 times 4. 4 times 4 equals what? 16. Yeah, this is the first step in this expression. The first step, rule 2. The first step is rule 2. Okay, let us see. Third step. Do we have multiply or divide from the left to the right? Yeah, we have multiplication operation here. 2 multiply 8 equals 16. 16 plus this 16 equals what? Excellent, 32. So the archer scored a total of 32 points. 32 points, right? If you want to revise the operation that you do here, you need to complete these blanks. Find the value of numbers with exponent. This is the first step. There is no parentheses. Do you see? No parentheses. The second step for us, multiply. Multiply from left to right. The third step, add. We add 16 plus 16. Is it easy? I think it's easy. Please write the answer in your book right now. Make the video stop here and complete watching. Here in this question, I need you to try. I need you to try it. Evaluate the expression 24 divided by the third power of 2. 24 divided by the third power of 2. Okay? Or you can read it 24 divided by 2 power 3. 2 power what? 3. 24 divided by 2 power 3. How can I solve it? Let us see the order of operation. Do you have parentheses? No, you don't have. Do you have exponents? Yes. So let us solve it. The exponent part. The third power of 2 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 equals what? 8. Great job. Do you have multiplication or division operation? Yes, we have division between 24 and 8. 24 divided by 8 equals what? Multiply by 8 equals 24. 8 multiply 1 equals 8. 8 multiply 2 equals 16. 8 multiplied by 3 equals 24. So 24 divided by 8, the answer is 3. 24 divided by 8, the answer is 3. This is the last answer. Good job, my dear students, if you understand till here. Let's go to example 1. We have a long example. 27 divided by the difference between 13 and 4. So again, 27 divided by the difference. The difference means subtraction, okay, between two numbers, 13 and 4. Then plus 5 multiplied by the third to the power of 2. How can I solve this problem? According to our order of operations. Number 1, do you have parentheses? Ask yourself these rules every question. Do you have parentheses? Yeah, I have parentheses here. So solve it. 13 minus 4 equals. Good job. 13 minus 4 equals 9. Number 2, do you have exponents? Yeah, I have exponent here. So the third to the power of 2 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 2 equals 4, and 4 multiply 2 equals 8. So the answer of this part equals 8. Right. Number 3, do you have multiplication or division? Yes, we have here multiplication and we have here division. Where should I start with? I should start with 72 divided by 9 because he says from left to right. Okay, 72 divided by 9 equals what? Equals 8. And 5 multiplied by 8 equals what? Equals 40. The last thing, do you have addition or subtraction? Yeah, I have addition. 8 plus 40 equals 48. Okay. If you need to understand again, focus on these parts. Focus in these blanks. First thing, what should we think about? Perform operation in what? Excellent. Perform operations in parentheses. Find the value of numbers with what? With exponents. Right. Multiply and what from left to right? Multiply and divide. Good job. Then add the answer. Yeah, 4 steps here. We used the 4 steps in that question because it was a long question, right? Okay, share and show questions here. If you want to solve, focus, and follow the same rules, please do them as a homework, right? And plus this page 367, plus this page 367. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.